Hey guys, we are going to play Totally Accurate Battle Simulator, and we are going to play around with some city guys. Okay. Also, this is a secret unit I'm going to show you. It's in this map. It's up there, but I've already got it, so yeah. Anyway, we're gonna use this map. Also, this time it's gonna be a mini arena. So, yeah. I think we should do that. Then we shall do Cupid. Put 3 of them there. Don't really know what they do. Then these guys. Some of these guys. That's gonna be cool. Or like as many as we can fit on here. Boom. Now I need to go slow-mo. Oh, you already thrown it. No, guys, no. I gotta throw it at you. Spear. Shoot it. No Cupids. Don't get shot. Shoot it away. I want to see what they do. I've never seen what they've done before. Did that shoot it away? I think it did. Now shoot this away. And this away. Come on. Shoot it away. Oh, the Cupids are firing. They're firing at the safes. I don't know what that means in Cupid language, but okay. Shoot these guys. Yeah. Oh yeah, I forgot to show you something you can do. Look. And then look what it comes out of. Looks like it's hent, doesn't it? Looks like it's hent. But now it doesn't. It just comes out. Yeah. And oh, none of them have died yet. Apart from these guys, guess. I mean, he's getting crushed. That looks painful, so put you out of your misery. There you go. There you go, bro. There. There you go. Yeah. Feels like that happened before. Like that exact thing happened. Shoot you. You're a robber. Now I shall shoot you in the face. More like in the neck. Can I see your mouth, please? Oh, I want to see his mouth. Dead. And then he drops it because he's dead. And so are you. Are any gonna fall off? Or no? These guys don't know how to. Yeah, no. I don't know how to. I think I'm beating up the Reds too much. Let's beat up babies, but yeah, I know that sounds weird, but the Cupids are pretty powerful. Oh, red victory, really? Are you? Yeah. Cupids are not that powerful. Okay, get out. Class, put a couple down there, I guess. Yep, let's try them out. Whoa, stop throwing too fast. Oh. Get out, get out, get out now. Yes. Oh no, they got hit, no. Looks like they're all dead. Yep, they're all dead. All dead. I guess apart from this guy. Yeah, I knew it, bro. But this guy's gonna fall off.
Are you joking?
Yeah. And oh, he's sitting down. He's like, I'm just gonna stay here and not worry about anything. But yeah, I guess he can do that because he's dead. Yeah. Oh, look at that guy. Look at that guy chewing on his leg. Oh, he died? What? He died? Oh no, you're still alive. Huh. Red victory. Red victory. It doesn't matter about the clams either. So let's... These guys are not that powerful. What can beat it? Some of these, I guess. They're not even spinning. Okay, maybe they are, but they just got hit. So we are going to shoot you in the face because you've been bad boy. Okay, Mr. Face, but still. You've been bad boy too. You've been bad boy. You all been bad boy. You all been bad boy. Bad boy. Now you get shot. Now I shall shoot you all. Get shot in the back. He doesn't even know what's happening behind him. Okay, maybe he does because he just got shot by something. How did he get shot by nothing? I think he was already dead. Blue victory. Good job, guys. And that's gonna leave it. Bye-bye. And also, please subscribe.